right, so now I'm going to show you how to use FakeYou or how to log into that. All you got to do is Google that FakeYou voice AI. It's a AI voice generator. And so here, let's just go straight to text to speech. Use your student Google account to log in. I used mine already and I already created my account. And so what we're going to do is just create a sound file that you're going to upload into your formative. And so here I'm going to choose a voice. I chose Homer Simpson. And what I did is I actually used ChatGPT earlier to create, I used the prompt. I just said, can you write a short paragraph as Homer Simpson about the current cost of donuts? And it did that, right? So now I'm just going to copy it. And what I'm going to do is come over here and paste it. And then I'm going to have it speak. And this will take a while because I'm not using the paid account. So I will edit this for time. All right. So it took a little bit of time. It took probably like a minute, maybe 2 minutes. And this is a result here.
Donuts in my day. Donuts were like, what, 50 cents? Now you walk into large land and be they want $3 for one, $3, $5, but come on, and then not money. Well, except for.
And so, it wasn't perfect. All right. And so it brings you here. Just go ahead and click download.
Donuts in my day. Donuts were like, what, 50 cents?
Right here.
Now you walk into large land and be they want $3 for one, $3.
Sorry, let me pause that. Right. So you hit the 3 dots, then download it, and then it will save it to your computer.